Look at these little guys. Well, they're not so little anymore. Keep wrecking their water. Let me turn this light off so you can see better. They're so cute. So we have 4 marans and we have the 2 guinea hens. I've forgotten what they're called. But they're starting to take shape, which is really cute. They look very bird-like. I mean, I know chickens are birds, but look at that guy, girl, who knows? I have no idea how you sex guinea hens, but they're supposed to be great for eating ticks and things. So they're just huddled in the corner. We have all of this room. But yeah, they'll be going out to the coop soon. Probably another couple of weeks. But I'm going to move them today out of this area into a bigger area. And yeah, they're doing really well. They're so silly. They're so silly.